So this morning I got a call from a customer. He had an aerosol can that he'd purchased, and he said it had a peculiar top on it and he didn't know how to use it. It's what's called an inverted aerosol. So what is an inverted aerosol and why would you want to use one? Well, an inverted aerosol is an aerosol can with a special nozzle on top. It's designed to be held upside down, aimed toward the floor. You spray in a big broad sweeping motion to cover the floor or whatever surface you're spraying this on. We initially started using inverted aerosols primarily for flea control on hard surfaces like tile and hardwoods. So we quickly found out these chemicals were good for a lot more than that. They have an ingredient in them to kill the adult fleas. They also have a growth regulator in there to stop eggs and larvae of the flea from becoming adults. So it ends up they're really useful, not just on hard floors. They can be used on carpet, upholstered furniture, and a lot of places you can spray. They've got a label to spray the entire floor, so you can go wall to wall on the floor, and it's a really effective tool for battling fleas. They're easy to use, there's no mixing of chemicals, and you don't need a sprayer. So if you have any questions about how to use an inverted aerosol or any other flea control chemicals, check the links in the description or give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you here at Do It Yourself Pest Control.